How to share screen in Webex meeting. So simply open your Webex meetings desktop app on your Windows or Mac computer and then select connect to a device and select the Webex share device you'd like to use. To connect to a Webex share device during a meeting, select connect and then select share screen. So you're gonna have to simply click on share screen. And as you can see, if you're using WBS 33.7 or later and are sharing videos, animation, or dynamic content, optimize your content for motion and video. So you're gonna have to select optimize for motion and video, or you can simply check the share your computer audio box if you want to let everyone hear audio from your computer. Then simply select the content that you want to share, and if you shared your computer audio in step here in this step here, you're gonna have to select the speaker in the Webex meetings desktop app to adjust the video device volume remotely, and basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.